Okay, so magandang araw po. Ipapakita ko ho ngayong hapon na to. Dahil afternoon ko ho nire-record is yung demo ho for NXCAD. I-explain ko ho dito or ipapakita ko dito kung ano yung mga basic na features ni NX in terms of the product design. So this is based on your requirement po. Okay. So unang-una, this is the NX po. The interface po is NX is this one is icon base. So which is commonly same po sa mga iba pong software in the market. So and the terms po are all standard ho for the mechanical design, kaya hindi ho kayo malilito. Kunwari, let's say you talk about extrude, no? So ito yung kilalang kilala na command for other software ho, like the extrude. So alam niyo na ho kung ano yung purpose ho nito. And of course, this sketch. Now, yung kagandahan ho kay NX, kahit anong klase hong design o designer, yung style ho ng designer is pwede. Let's say, meron hong designer na gusto hong magsimula, ayaw mag-import, no? They would like to start from sketch, no? Pwede ho to. This is the same with AutoCAD, no? Gumagawa ho muna tayo ng curve. Kung depende ho sa paano ho nyo gusto. Let's say, you can add some circle here, something like that. And you can see, pwede ho tayo let's say, you can use mirror curve ho natin. Mirror natin to, going here. And po. Okay. Now, pag makikita nyo, as I move it, mag-adjust din ho yung kabila because it's mirrored po natin, no? Now, let's say this is just a simple curve lang ho natin. I will use the finish sketch po natin. And then directly, you can use extrude. And you can see, I can use the inferred here. And click natin. And directly, pwede ho niyang i-convert na into 3D yung inyong file. Yan ho yung ating yung sketch ho natin, convert nyo na into 3D. And then of course, you can add pa rin ho yung mga additional finishing touches like fillet, no, or edge blend in NX. Say I will be adding some fillet on the corner ho. Lagi ho natin ng fillet sa corner. So makita nyo, may preview ho key NX, no, para makita niya or mapakita sa inyo kung enough na ba yung value. Or you can simply type it here. Pwede ho lagay natin 20. Pwede ho yan. And click apply. And then I'll be adding some fillet also here. Ayan. Say I would like to use 5 na lang. Like that. And then meron din ho tayong jumper. So I will select here and then click here. Ayan. Alright. So you can hide. Pwede ho natin tago to. Hide natin. Then after ng design nyo, no, you can go to let's say you gusto nyo i-drafting siya, no. So pili tayo, standard size natin. So I can select, let's say A3, can choose that one. And then here, cancel natin to. So I will use na lang ho is base view. Select it here. And then makikita ho natin dito, you can select ho yung inyong ratio. Let's say I will use 1:2. So top view, front, and then the side. Ayan po. And then you can also add the isometric here. Lagyan natin isometric dito. Click natin to. And select ho tayo ng scale. So let's say 1:5 natin. Masyado maliit. 1:2. That one, lagyan natin ho dito. Alright. Now, you can add ho, let's say you would like to add section view. You simply click kung saan mo gustong i-section view natin. Here, and then the position nun ng ating view. One. Ayan po, no? And then dito ho, pwede nyo na ho kung maglagay ng dimension na gusto nyo. Alright, so I click it here. So, kung paano ho tayo maglagay ng dimension, let's say I will select dito. Ayan. So, you simply click ho yung curve na kailangan yung lagyan lang ho. Ganyan lang ho siya. Let's say, click it here. Ayan. Uh, Third natin. So, I click it here. And then this one. Ito ho yung ano gano'n. And then, here po. And I'll go here. So, simple ho. Simple lang ho yung ano natin. So, meron ho tayong drawing. And ang kagandahan ho niyan, anything you do on your 3D, let's go back on your 3D. Go on the modeling. Si NX po is parametric. You go back on your sketch. Click at that. And then you can see, let's say, inedit ko siya, no? Edit natin siya. I click finish. Makikita nyo, mag-update din ho siya. You go on the jumper. Let's say, you can go back, no? Pwede ho nyo balikan yung time na ginawa nyo siya. Let's say, add natin 5. Gawin natin 5 na lang siya. And then, balik tayo dun sa 2D. So, you don't have to worry ho. Kasi ho, pagdating nyo sa 2D, since meron ho tayong ginawang ano, makikita nyo, mag-update ho yan. Updated na ho yung ating ano. Alright. So, ayan. So, makikita natin, ayan ho. In-update to, nag-update ho siya. Okay. So, naka-integrate pa rin po yung ating 2D sa 3D natin. Okay. Now, aside from that, let's say you go on, mag-click tayo ng new. Gagawa ako ng panibagong file here. And then, I'll click, let's say, okay lang natin siya. Then, I will go, let's say, pag naman dating sa import, no, we have different files na pwede mong import sa kanya. Aside from dun sa mga universal file like IGS step file, no, ayan po, you can import ho native file from CATIA. And, ayan. So, I will use the open para makita ho natin. So, ito yung mga files ho na meron. Pwedeng SolidWorks. Ayan. Okay. We can use import CATIA and step file, IGS. Ayan. Pwede ho sa kanya. Part file, of course, the NX file ho natin. Now, I will select ko SolidWorks and I will click it here. So, makita nyo, this is SLDPRT. So, I will select okay. And then, makikita ho natin dito, ayan, ito ho, this is from NX, no? Design from SolidWorks. And then, makikita ho, solid na ho siya, no? So, makikita, yan ho nakita. Now, of course, let's say, muna, you would like to create some modification, no? Once pag ma-import mo na kay NX, you can do anything you want. Pwede ho yan. Let's say, you would like to delete some faces here. Delete ho tayo dito. I can use this one. And then, click mo yan. So, this is the synchronous command, no? So, makikita, you can easily edit ho yung files natin, no? Even it was created on other platform. Ayan po. And makikita nyo, click OK. So, makikita nyo automatic ho. And then, let's say, tatlo ho yun, no? The reason why I delete that one, maybe because I was tasked to increase ho yung ating details, no? Gusto ng kliyente, paramihin natin. And the thing is, hindi ho kayo nag-model. So, minsan, medyo hirap po para sa designer ho gawin yun dahil hindi naman ako kayo nag-model eh. Pero kay NX ho, wala akong problema yun. Kasi may synchronous ho tayong pwedeng gamitin. I can click it the center. Makikita nyo, pwede ho natin paramihin siya. Depende sa gusto nyo. Let's say, you would like to 3. Okay? Let's say, you would like to 6. Basta kasya siya. And then, click natin okay. And then instantly, ito na ho yung modified na data natin. Imported from SolidWorks. Ayan po. Okay? You can also inspect, let's say, ayaw mo ng drafting. We do have a PMI here. Yung PMI ho is the Product Manufacturing Information. In 3D ho, you can inspect na ho yung product by simply clicking and then ibibigay niya ho sa inyo yung dimensions. Ayan. Pinapakita mo niya. Let's say you would like some radial here. So, i-click natin dito. Ayan. And dito. Awan. And then, makikita nyo, pinapakita ho nyo sa inyo yung dimensions na kiniklik mo. Ayan po. Alright. Now, I will use some linear here o pwedeng rapid na lang. I will select some faces here. And then, of course, so another surface ito. Awan. Okay, the position ng inyong ano. Now, ang kagandahan no, kapag inspect nyo, yung iba kasi designer, mas sanay sila mag-inspect in 3D, no? Kasi kita ho nila, so makita. You can arrange ho yung dimension, let's say. Nag-automatic ho yung adjustment ng view niya o yung position ng characters kapag inikot mo yung 3D. So makita, ikot natin dito. Okay? Ayan. So makita nyo, ayan, umiikot ho siya. Okay? Ayan po. So that's the PMI po. Ayan. Of course, kung kailangan yung i-check siya, you can do that. Let's say, kung gusto mo naman, let's say mag-new tayo dito. Create new file here. And then, ang itatry ko namang buksan is, let's say, click natin, okay? I will import naman po, open natin. I will use CATIA. So, I will use CATIA B5, no? Let's say, crown plunge. Click natin yan. So, this is the CATIA file, no? Cut part. Ayan. Pwede ho yung i-open kaya next. And then, you can see, you can use a true shading here para makita natin. Pero mas maganda yung ating ano. So, once ma-import mo siya, no? Ito ho siya. You can, pwede ho niyan, let's say, you would like to do this one. Let's say, pwede natin, distance. Select natin the vector. Okay. Copy. Select copy that one. And, yeah, there you go. Okay. So, pwede ho nyong ito one. Lagay natin. Let's say 3. So, makikita nyo kinakopya. Tagalin natin yung tool shading. So, makita kinakopya ho natin siya. Ayan. You can copy files so using the move object, no? Pwede ho yan. Alright? Pwede ho. Pwede rin yung i-move, no? Pwede yung move yung ano natin. Or, say, I will click undo on that. Okay? Natin to. You can do anything. Let's say you would like to, tulad ng kanina synchronous natin, I will delete this detail here. You can, let's say gusto natin i-offset, pinapalaki, sabi palakihin daw natin cylinder, you can do that here. Click OK, apply. And then you can move some faces here. So move natin ito. Awan. And then kita nyo, ito po siya. Pwede nyo galawin siya. Or you can specify yung ating ano. Alright. Now you will see here, marami ho. Pwede rin ho kayo mag-sketch. Let's say this is imported, no? Pwede ko kayo mag-sketch dito. Mag-sketch kayo dyan. Let's say you'll be adding some details. Let's say, meron tayo. So this is just an example, no? Maglalagay ako ng circle dito. Alright. And then, i-extrude ko siya, yung ating sketch, no? You can simply add, no? Pwede nating i-add ho yung ating, yung i-extrude natin dito, or let's say you don't want to, pwede nating inan na lang siya. Yan. And then meron ho tayo ditong pattern geometry. Pwede ho nyong i-copy yung isang geometry, let's say this one, o kaya this one, pwede ho. Let's say this one, kakopy ho natin siya. And circular. And vector natin is already indicated, so lagyan natin to. One. Ayan po, no? Pwede nyo ilagay. So, let's say you would like count and span. Let's say 360. Gawin mong 10. So, makita nyo ito siya. Ayan po, no? So, pwede ho nyo paramihin. And then you can unite. Unite this one. Ayan. So, makikita nyo. So, you see solid body here. Ayan. Isa na ho siya, no? Edit natin yung ating ano. One. Just natin. Okay. So, pwede ho nyong i-edit. Alright. And that's it. That was the simple presentation ho ng CAD natin, from importing of files, doing some drafting, measuring ho, some modeling, and using sketch ho. Okay. So, thank you po. If you have any questions, no, feel free ho to ask our team, no, Technologics. Thank you po.